DocTranslator is a specialized tool designed to facilitate the translation of documents while preserving their original formatting, making it an invaluable resource for professionals, students, and anyone needing to translate documents efficiently. This service supports a vast array of document types including Word files, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and PDFs, among others. Key features of DocTranslator. 1. Extensive language support. DocTranslator offers translations between over 100 languages, making it one of the most versatile tools for document translation available today. This wide range of language support is ideal for users dealing with international documentation in multiple languages. 2. Formatting preservation. One of the standout features of DocTranslator is its ability to maintain the original layout and formatting of documents. This is particularly important for business and academic documents where the presentation is as crucial as the content itself. 3. High-speed translation. The service uses powerful machine translation technology that allows for the rapid translation of documents. This is a significant advantage for users who need quick turnarounds, such as businesses working with tight deadlines or students handling last-minute assignments. For accuracy and reliability, while leveraging automated translation technologies, DocTranslator also ensures a high level of accuracy. The translations are reliable enough for professional use, though it is always recommended to have critical documents proofread, especially if they are intended for official or legal purposes. 5. Scalability. DocTranslator is well-suited for both individual and bulk document translations, accommodating the needs of individual users as well as businesses requiring the translation of large volumes of documents regularly. 6. Cost-effectiveness. The service offers competitive pricing, with options that range from free for small documents, under a certain number of words, to fee-based services for larger documents and bulk translation projects.